support the idea of governor of giving lots. Lots in way of construction is when you do selected tendering, whereby for you to deliver to the people of the mandate, you say to fasten the process, is good to give allotment to the people. So we are in support of the lots, the selected way of tendering, and His Excellency has promised us that on top of the lots, he will give other tenders to the other people who are remaining. So the noise being made around that the 10 contractors, we believe that's the best way to deliver to the people. One, is very efficient. Two, it's faster.
Governor wetu amekuwa supportive kwetu. Tulipata kazi hata kama ilikuwa kidogo, tumelipwa na tunashukuru sana. Aendelee kuinua wenye wako chini kuja juu, na asiangalie mambo ya hewa nini, wenye wanampiga vita mawe, afocus kwa kazi ile aliamua atafanyia watu wa Kisii County.
Here to thank His Excellency the Governor for accepting to pay genuine pending bills, and we are here to support him. And number two, we also want to thank His Excellency Simba for also accepting to work with us. We are here to give him maximum support and say that thank you, Your Excellency, for allowing to work with us and for allowing your senior and the junior government officers to consider our genuine pending bills for payment. Thank you, may God bless.
So shocked over the issue, wale ambao wanapiga gavana vita na sisi ambao tuko hapa pamoja. Nyinyi kama wana contractors, are we in support of governor?
Yes.
Are we in support of governor?
Yes.
Hebu tubebe mikono juu tukisema ile unity tuko nayo.
Kila wawili.
Shikana wawili tuseme governor ni mmoja.
Governor ni Simba.
Governor ni Simba.
Governor ni Simba.
Governor ni yeye atatuokoa. Kwa hivyo tuko pamoja kusupport governor. Kama mimi nimetoka South Mugirango, nimeacha huko Soro, sitaki ile vita ya huko kama MP wangu. Mimi nimetoka huko, tumekuja kusaidiana na hao wengine. Governor abawi nyumba. Yeye si kutoka Bobasi, si kutoka South Mugirango, anataka atusaidie kama sisi wote wana contractors. Wana contractor waheshimiwe.
Wana contractor waheshimiwe.
Unity is here.
Unity is here.
Freedom is here.
Freedom is here.
Freedom is power.
Freedom is power.
Freedom is power.
Freedom is power.
Contractor is power.
Contractor is power.
Bara timbi yamono. Aso okoligie task force ekabeka chitenda chonsi ibichi cyakora tukire genuine. Nandi bwanchire gwakana. Twamusabira amaya atwakane. Bali bande bali chipara bagoteba mbabwate amasakara ataleta twase task force. Twabasabira amaya bagende kotini ko barabwe Simba barengereri.
Contractor twakorire gasi nyinge nandi negene igasi ndentogende tokora bono tugwakira gavana itumbuya mono anchire gutwakana pending bills, and we are supporting him thoroughly atwakane elitogendere gukora gasi nere
to avoid politics in construction, like those who are the other side who are doing politics. I want to tell the people that those are politicians, those are politics. We are in business in construction. So we are in support of the governor. Governor, look at what you promised the people. Don't look at the side shows of other people. We are the genuine contractors, and we will support you and work with you, and we will deliver. In fact, we have agreed that those 9 or 10 people who are going to do the contract are from us. Those stories going around that is coming from outside, we are the people, and we have the capacity to deliver any other way the governor wants.
Contractor, chijita ito kole mirimo na Simba. Yutorita yale kole mirimo na Simba. Ase igo, ekero gavana arule igo, tabugat magos. Chika sinjiro chinke chinke. Gavana takuri nyomba in Allotment way, munabona ICD classrooms and whatever. Echichi kobe yemeyamu. Gavana twa minto, Governor, what he has done is good for all of us, and even outside Kenya. As a 20 otokorira maya.